ika'y kasama. Nawawala ang pagod.
Babe, every second with you is time well spent. May this watch remind me that no matter how time passes, I will always love you. Thank you, babe, sa gift. I love you. Yun lang.
Sa'yo ko lang ito sasabihin, ikaw lang ang kailangan. Wala nang hahanapin pa na iba. Sa'yo kontento na. Di ko na kaya mahalak ka pa sa piling ko sinta. Sa'yo kontento na.
Nakilala kami nung nag-work ako sa Toyota Calamba. May mutual friend kami. Tapos si off ko, nakita siya sa Facebook ngayon, may mutual friend kami. Ka-work ko sa Toyota.
And then one time, nag-message lang siya. Tapos single ako for 6 years. Tapos hindi kasi ako yung mahilig mag-reply sa mga hindi ko kilala. But that time, sabi ko nga parang tinapa ko ni Lord na 6 years ka na single, more than 6 years na. Baka it's time na to entertain someone.
Babe, I promise to love and honor you for the rest of my life. Susubukan kong maging best husband, your best friend. Pangakong ikaw lang ang mamahal. Ito lang ang iba. Mananatili ako sa'yo at paulit-ulit kitang pipiliin.
Babe, for more than 5 years, thank you dahil lagi ka nandyan. Nandito lang ako for you. Sasamahan kita to pa rin lahat ng pangarap mo, mga pangarap natin. Hihintayin kita, maghihintay pa rin ako hanggang sa dumating yung time na araw-araw na tayo magkakasama.
This truth, these words that we have spoken, giving purpose to the hope that we have found. There's proof in the days that lay before us, finding meaning in these moments playing out. We see it now, the story comes together.
Jesus said to his disciples, "As the Father loves me, so I also love you. Remain in my love. If you keep my commandments, you will remain in my love, because as I have kept my Father's commandments, I will remain in his love. I have told you this so that my joy may be in you, and your joy might be in me. This is my commandment, love one another as I